Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Indaba ze-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, ngizongena ku-statement se-Kaizer Chiefs after i-match ukuthi bathini laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs because bayazazi iy'nkinga zabo, and then ngizokhuluma ngo-Augustin Sirina, amaplayer angamiselanga but kumele akwazi ukuthwala i-Kaizer Chiefs because bane-experience. Amaplayer amaningi awazi ukuthi kuminani ukurepresent i-Kaizer Chiefs, and then i-management ye-Kaizer Chiefs kumele i-blame nayo bafethu because they cannot celebrate management makuwiniwe nje kuphela. Awu-quote izinto za-last season or I'll go back to izinto za-last season i-Kaizer Chiefs meqeda ukuwina i-Nedbank Cup, ukuthi i-management bekungathi yiyo beyidlala egrawundini iya kuma-TV station, radio station, zonke lezi zinto lezi baphareyida i-cup but-ke amaplayer bayakhohlwa yiwo. So amaplayer mawaphefoma uwasaluteni amaplayer wa-celebrate-eni but mengaphefomii i-management ayibo ku-forefront-ke kube yibo futhi aba-leader ini ama-press conference nokuhamba phambili laphana baye kuma-interviews bachaze ukuthi why baqashe o-coach abangana-experience, why bachaze nje izinto ey'ningi ukuthi okay basayine ama-player 11 but i-impact yabo yini, and then why abanye bangadlali kwasha kwacima, like bachaze, like babe direct, bazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngempela ethimini abantu. But ngifuna ukuqala nge-statement se-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu esikhiphile after igame esiwelele. Bathi bona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ku-statement sabo laphana ku-website yabo, bathi i-Kaizer Chiefs i-dominate-ile igame overall, just nje ihlulekile bafethu uku-unlock-a kahle isiwelele laphana i-defense. Bathi bona despite ukudlala i-attractive constructive football on the night, kusho ukuthi bahlulekile ukukora laphana overall. Bathi first opening 20 minutes-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs i-offered i-indication yokuthi-ke how the match would play out overall. Ama-visitors-ke they were circling into packed defense formation, and i-Kaizer Chiefs-ke beyiku-front foot laphana izama ngempela ukubheka ama-weakness laphana kuSwelele FC overall. Occasionally-ke bebabasha nge-counter ku-Kaizer Chiefs kuma-transition. Bakhuluma nango-Ighodaro bafethu, bathi u-Ighodaro he was handy, kusho ukuthi udlale kahle kakhulu or kangconywana because bokuyi-focal point yalaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ku-attack overall. Bathi u-Ighodaro bekwazi ukubamba amabhola and then a-allow-we noma avumele amaplayer wakhe ukuthi akwazi ukudlala from yena overall laphana. But-ke into beyileka laphana ukuthi bamprovide-ele i-service bafethu u-Ighodaro, ba-make sure ukuthi uyayithola i-service and then uhlala laphana eboxini. Niyayizwa bafethu inkulumo direct i-Kaizer Chiefs, kusho ukuthi bayazi ukuthi u-Ighodaro bekumele bamdlalise kanjani but unfortunately abakwazanga ukumdlalisa the way bona abasho ngakhona. Baze bayasho lana bathi bekadinga isevisi laphana eboxini ukuthi akwazi ukusebenzisa i-physical strength sakhe laphana nakuma-aerial ability laphana eboxini. Niyayizwa le nto le but asimbonanga u-Ighodaro bamcrossela ibhola alishaya ngekhanda, asimbonanga u-Ighodaro ahlala laphana ebhokisini bamnika amabhola from ebhokisini isikhathi esiningi because uyakwazi ukuprotect ibhola. Ngabe ukwazile ngempela bafethu ukusiza i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi akwazi ukuphusha ukuthi ikwazi ukuthola ama-results. Unfortunately abakwazanga ukudlalisa u-Ighodaro according to i-strength sakhe, besimbona out of position. Nabo bayayazi inkinga but if abayilungisi asazi-ke bafethu. And baphinde bancoma uPeterson i-captain yabo entsha bafethu ukuthi ube nama-save anithi a-right. Sibonile laphana ngo-17 minutes a-save u-Ohizu. It was just a 1-on-1, bengithi mina igoli leya nto leya but uPeterson wakwazi ukulisave wa-make sure ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayiconcede ngoba inamalokhu njani, inawo uPeterson by the way unama-clean sheets bafethu this season, I think ayi-6 or 7 manje. Wenza kahle kakhulu laphana. I-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs make sure ukuthi ayiconcede kakhulu. Just ukuthi lapha phambili kulaba angalungisi khona. Nali i-record le-Kaizer Chiefs this season bafethu, before ngibuyela ku-statement, badlala ama-match awu-13 labantu laba banamagoli ayi-10. 10 games. Yes, 13 games banamagoli awu-10. That's a poor record for i-team ebeyibhelieve ukuthi ifuna uku-change izinto nanokuthi ufuna ukukompithela i-league. Masibheka i-league, they're not far off, basaselaphana ku-number 4, I think bana-16 points manje. Like abekho far off. If they can win their games bafethu, they can compete for the league, but it's not gonna be an easy thing ukuthi bawine i-league nanokuthi bacompete serious for i-league. They have to take their opportunities. As they prepare le match yange-weekend bafethu, they have to score goals. Asazi ukuthi amagoli waku-Kaizer Chiefs azobuyaphi ngoba labantu bayageja. Ku-statement sabo la ba-mention-e nanokuthi uLokwenika bafethu uthole i-chance laphana close range. Ile big chance bekumele nje alithinte uKwinika laphana goal but-ke off balance or bekwenzakalani, ibhola walishaya phezu kwepali bafowethu. Khona ama-chance owagejayo but khona amanye okungamelanga uwageje, but-ke ziyenzeka lezi zinto ebholeni, but ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngathi zenzeka kakhulu overall bafowethu. And then sibonile babhalile nalapho ukuthi babonile uMduduzi Shabalala eshaya even noFrost abashaya from ama-long range, laphuma phezulu-ke leli lika-Frost la. Yeah, so abakwazanga ukushaya igoli against iSuwelele FC, and then bathole ilephu okungenile second half. I-forward yaseCongolese kuthiwa-ke izamile uku-injector i-long i-agency ku-attack ye-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke like ama-colleagues wakhe ama-attempts wakhe bewaleka i-accuracy ukuthi atrouble noma anike u-goalkeeper weSolele FC i-problem overall. Ngcono bayibona ilo ukuthi uLilephu unayo i-sense of urgency ukuthi aphushe, but-ke uleka i-accuracy in terms of ashaya ibhola straight. Uyathanda ukushaya but ugeja kakhulu naye. U-P_S_L uye umdlali oshaye kunabo bonke bafethu epaleni this season, but-ke ukukora kwakhe hayi kuncane kakhulu compared to ukushaya kwakhe laphana epalini. Izinto ekumele a-improve lezi going forward overall. And then before ngibuyela kokunye bafethu, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoGustin Sereni. uGustin Sereni naye off. Ngathi ufuna ukuncenga ukuthi adlale. Siyamazi uGustin Sereni bafethu uyalazi ibhola. Asazi maybe ngoba noma frustrated ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayamqalisa amagame amaningi. Asazi ngempela bafethu, but-ke amanye ama-player okumele alide laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke the guy is not leading at all. Mayithole 20 minutes 10 minutes akabonise ukuthi uGustin Sereni man akwazi ukulida ama-youngsters, akwazi ukudipenda kuye, akwazi ukufunda from yena ukuthi okay nali leader nangumuntu esingakwazi ukumlalela ukuthi sikwazi ngempela ukuphusha around yena, sibuilde something formidable around yena. But-ke uzobhilda kanjani something strong around umuntu odlala ngama-timetable, odlala yena mefuna noma efisa ukudlala. So angazi maybe ama-players bafethu are too spoiled manje. oGustin Sereni akusiwuye kuphela, maningi ama-player laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs angazi ukuthi kuminani ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Kwafa abantu ngale team le, abantu bayithatha serious kakhulu, ba-emotionally invested, i-personal njalo makudlala i-Kaizer Chiefs, bafuna ama-results. Nje ngihlezi ngisho ngithi i-lose bayayithatha, but-ke the way you lose or the way odrawa ngakhona, i-Kaizer Chiefs inama-draws amaningi already this season. But I remember ngiyohlezi nginikhumbuza bafethu i-Kaizer Chiefs ama-result mengawatholi ukuthi last season baze baba-fine bafethu ngendaba yokuthi abaphefomii kahle, but still azange bafunde from izinto za-last season. I think i-Kaizer Chiefs bekumele ihambise ama-player amaningi kakhulu bafethu boma-20 once, because ba-restructure ngempela, babhilde i-new team, i-new team. Hhayi abantu abanama-egos bazitshela ukuthi bona kudala bafika ku-Kaizer Chiefs so kumele kungathi baphethe. So obviously kunama-division ethimini siyakwazi lokho bafethu, but-ke kumele badlale as a unity, as one, bakwazi ukurepresent i-team bafethu. Hhayi ukuthi oLilephu bavele bashayele nje kuphela, no, dlala as i-team, ucabange lama-teammate wakho kuqala before ucabanga ukuthi uvele nje ushaye. Yeah, asibuyele kule nto le management e-Kaizer Chiefs. I-management e-Kaizer Chiefs mayenza kahle, they take all the credit. Yibo ababhizi ema-radio station. I think i-Kaizer Chiefs mayiwina i-Nedbank Cup bafowethu, more than 10 radio station or 10 media whatever, Kaizer Chiefs bengiyibona interview after interview. Ngivula i-News Africa bakhona, ngivula lokho okunye bakhona, ko-702 ema-radioweni bakhona overall. Mayiluza i-Kaizer Chiefs bakuphi bona? Ngoba phela they have to account manje. Hhayi ukuthi kuba ama-player kuphela. Ama-player mawinile, ama-player ayikho indawo ama-player if ayawina i-Kaizer kusaluthwa bona be-management, because yibo aba-attend-a lama-interviews angapheli. So nabo they have to come out manje and-account if like izinto azihambi kahle, and explain to the fans ukuthi okay, what is wrong? Where can we improve? Where can we do whatever? They cannot afford to just focusa ku-brand side kuphela bafowethu. Bona they're just looking at i-profit, and they keep making a profit. Ngibone umuntu onamajezi we-Kaizer Chiefs more than 10, close to 15 mangiwabala la majezi lawo. Ngasho ukuthi abantu bayayithanda i-Kaizer Chiefs, bayayisapota, but ibaletha down kakhulu, cause I mean uthando olungaka abantu bathatha iy'mali zabo zokugcina baye e-stadium ngama-Wednesday inyanga ayikakapheli, ulalela ama-fans bayasho ukuthi bathatha iy'mali zabo zokugcina ukuthi baye e-stadium ebusuku but still the team is not doing well at all. Yeah, they were supposed to build a new team but-ke they have to work with what they have. UBhatman iy'ndaba zakhe bafowethu kune-opportunity enkulu ukuthi adlale against ilokhunjana iMagesi laphana ku-D_D_C team. Kuthiwa-ke babheke ukuthi bamsende laphana ku-D_D_C team ayodlala laphana ku-D_D_C team because of uHlongwane u-injured. Sazi ukuthi uzobe sebuyile this weekend, but uHlongwane 100% u-injured unless if uzokwazi uku-recover because for the past 2 games laphana ku-D_D_C team uHlongwane asikamboni. And then khona lo munye bathi uzohamba ku-under 17 ayodlala i-World Cup, so bashiya nesikhala ngempela laphana ku-D_D_C team. Abantu iyabacasula le ndaba le ukuthi uBhatman aye ku-D_D_C team, but at the same time mina into engiyishilo ukuthi ngeke bamsayinele ukuthi ayodlala ku-D_D_C team. UBhatman una-2 years aku-professional football, udlale 2 years ku-professional. Ku-D_D_C team angaya, yes, but hhayi ukuthi bamsayinele ukuthi ayodlala i-D_D_C team. Angadlala nje for abasize abafana ukuthi agene naye i-match fitness, i-game time ayithole ngale, but kumuntu okumele adlale ku-main team lo ku-first team. Why ngisho kanje? Because of this season would be a learning curve. I mean enye interview bengiyi-quote-a earlier on kaShaun Bafowethu uthi mdlaliseni umfana, it's not like u-Western lama-player adlalayo. So unama-players amakhulu, ama-senior players akuma-big contracts but-ke they're not delivering those guys. Rather dlala ngabafana abancane. Abanye abantu bathi bona bangaba right if baluza ngabafana abancane instead ukuthi baluze ngabantu abane-experience kangaka but-ke labantu abane-experience abaningi they're not able to get ama-results. So yizo izinto nalaphana kumele bey'lungise ngempela. Decision making from o-coach, kumele balungise izinto bafowethu laphana. But I would like to say masikhuluma ngomthetho, umthetho akunamalanga wakhe but umthetho what we can appreciate ngayo ukuthi usebenzisa inkani the whole match, like i-presence yakhe siyayibona, u-strong, u-powerful, uyayi-protect i-defense. Umthetho i-reason enkulu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs inga-concede. Siyazi ukuthi i-development akanayo, uqala ukudlala professional or laphana ku-Black Leopard or so, qale late bafowethu but izinto zakhe zavele zahamba fast. But uyi-true identity ye-Kaizer Chiefs laphana yena ustop ama-counter attacks and is able to stop ama-counter attacks, a-break ama-plays from amanye ama-team ukuthi a-make sure ukuthi u-protect i-team yakhe which is i-Kaizer Chiefs. So ubalulekile makabamba ibhola akanike umuntu oseceleni kwakhe asuke kulo because akekho mnandi in terms of ukuphasa but-ke uyi-player elibalulekile ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But angadlali wonke amagame, ngeke udlale ne-team ezodifenda isikhathi esiningi bafowethu wena ufuna ukudlalisa umthetho. Uzokunikani? Yes uyaya phambili but akusi-strength sakhe. That is why mengikhuluma ngoVilakazi noShabalala kwenye i-clip ngisho ukuthi ba-connect-e like baya-complement-ana abafana because going forward kune-form of excitement mebedlala laphana. So badinga abantu ababheke uku-attack-a kakhulu more than anything else. Yes, i-defense I think ngishilo izolo ngathi amagwala ama-coach we-Chiefs bafowethu. Ngeke udlalela ukuthi wena abantu nje udlalela ukuthi ayi angingakorwa at all. Yes, idlalela ukuthi ungakorwa but unga-focus ku-defense nje kuphela ukuthi hayi thina sifuna ukushaya ama-clean sheets njalo. Bayashaya ama-clean sheets laphana phambili, they don't have i-fire power phambili. For sure bazomthola u-coach omusha, that's for sure bafowethu, bazomthola u-coach omusha. Ukuthi asazi ukuthi laba bazoyiqeda na i-season because i-pressure izoloke iba too much la ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So kuzoya ngayo i-management. Umazinyo Ernest Middendorf or ubani igama lakhe bafowethu if ngilisho right, uke wakhotshwa ku-Kaizer Chiefs angithi, so uyayazi i-Kaizer Chiefs in and out. Simboni njengoba bengishilo ukuthi njengoba lapha bekazi-advertise ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ayikho enye, ayikho indlela esingayichaza ngayo. Beka-advertise babonise ukuthi u-available then konke sokulele ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs i-react-a kanjani, ithini overall. Cause uyabonisa ukuthi hhayi ngikhona mina if like ney'nkinga kwasha kwacima ngikhona and I'm ready to be at the helm again laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs akwazi ukusiza i-team. I mean uke waba ne-success ku-Kaizer Chiefs 2005 to 2007 uke waba khona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs coach. and then waphinde wabuya futhi bafowethu. So mebuya again ube I think ube 2018, 19, 20, I think just almost 24 months or less lapho nje kwaba khona, but eish, yeah, abantu bambiza nge-helicopter football, kusho ukuthi udlala ibhola eli-different bafowethu. So abanye abantu thola ukuthi abali-understand ibhola lakhe laphana u-coach ukuthi uzoza nebhola eli-different laphana, but somehow uyakwazi ukuthola ama-results. So I think they have to prioritize umuntu okwaziyo ukuthola ama-results more than anything else, but sikhumbule ukuthi urelegate i-team. So asazi akasafani nalokhu, akusaselo coach lo oke wa-coach onama-record amahle, I think uke wawina izinto, yes, uke wawina izinto u-coach, but I mean like ibhola lakhe li-different njengoba ngike ngasho bafowethu, but it's not a bad coach, not a bad coach. Uyakwazi ukulokhu njani ukuthola ama-results for i-team, uyakwazi ukushape-a i-team ayi-change laphana overall. Possibly angakwazi ukubalethela ama-results laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, cause wazi i-Kaizer Chiefs in and out. I mean waqala ucoacha u-Kaizer Chiefs what, almost 20 years ago laphana, possibly maybe badinga i-familiar face laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, umuntu owazi in and out, and then ozokwazi uku-adapter quick to i-culture. Asazi ukuthi ugood na for i-Kaizer Chiefs. But when he was coaching the last time ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and he believed kuma-youngsters cause uye owadlalisa u-Happy Mashiyane, if angilenzi iphutha laphana bafowethu, ya ayikho enye, uye wabadlalisa laphana abafana, uye owanika u-Happy Mashiyane, wabasusa laphana ku-D_D_C team wababeka laphana ku-first team, and then wabanika ama-opportunities laphana ukuthi badlale abafana. Unfortunately-ke naso isikhathi sakhe asiphelanga, saphela kabuhlungu after they could not win, but I mean uyakwazi ukuthola ama-results. I think nakuye maybe iside lakhe i-consistency nje kuphela, iside okumele mhlampe li-improve lenze kangconywana, but uyayazi i-Kaizer Chiefs, possibly maybe angakwazi ukushintsha izinto laphana. Sasazi ngicela ukuyibamba lana bafethu. Danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ifike ku-15,000 subscribers, in fact 20,000 subscribers.